Come on, rain. I'm in a military Gore-Tex bivy. It can rain all at once. This is waterproof. It's not going to get me wet. Come on, rain. It's supposed to be a big storm. I've been waiting. There's a snake right above my head. I think it's a garter snake. No, I'm not in the woods. I'm in the backyard, to be honest with you, but just waiting for the rain. Got this military Gore-Tex bivy that's waterproof. This is what soldiers will sleep in full-on downpours. So I figure I can handle a little bit of it, but I mean, what the hell? I mean, it looks like it's gonna rain. Come on, rain. I mean, I can only wait out here so long for the rain. There's a snake right over here. It's a garter snake. It's kind of shiny. Do you know that they let off a smell? They can let off like a really stinky musk. But they won't hurt you. They had a whole bunch of babies too, you know. I don't think they lay eggs. I think they lay live babies, actually. I saw a whole bunch of them one time. They're right over here. But we're not afraid of that either. Man, it looks like it's supposed to rain. But I guess I'll just kind of wait for it. I'm more of a side sleeper. So I'm 6'3", about 235, maybe 230. I think I'm only about 230 right now. All right, come on, rain. Maybe if I tempt my fate, it'll come. Where's that snake? Hey, I'm like eye level now to the snake. I don't see it though. My feeling drops. It's a little tight in here. I'm gonna have to actually do like this. And a wimpier man would want a pillow in here, you know. If I had my jacket or something, I'd use it as a pillow right in here. But you know, we're roughing it. Come on, rain. I don't think it's gonna happen. I'll just have to be prepared to run out of here when it comes down. Ah, hell. You know, sometimes your best laid plans fail to get you laid, or however that goes. That's not how it goes. All right, I got some vitamin C and waiting for me in the house, so this experiment's gonna have to wait for another day. It's really lightweight, look.